Alright, so here's 612. To save some time, I've already labeled it up. And I have, big and small. And I've labeled, this is a rectangle, right? So it didn't give me both of these. It only gave me one line segment, right? But I know that if I'm given one side of these, I know the other side, because rectangles have the same length on one side as they do the other, because these are right angles, right? So although it only gave me JM, right? I know that KL and JM are the same length. It only gave me FG. I know that FG and EH are the same length. It only gave me EK or EF, sorry, and I know that HG is the same length, and it gave me JK, and I know ML is the same length. And then I went ahead and I labeled its parenthetical point. All right, so I'm going to solve the value of W. So the first thing I need to do is find a good ratio set, and I can just use the side lengths here because those are good. That's a good solid number to use, right? So I'm going to go a little over big again. So a little over big is going to be 6 divided by 10. Right, and if I reduce that, 6 divided by 10 is that number. Turn it into a fraction, that's 3/5. Alright, so that's going to be 3 over 5. 3 over 5. So that's my fraction I'm going to use. So I want to make it bigger. I need to invert that and make it 5/3 for any growth I need to do. Alright, so if I'm going from here to here, 3/5, I'm going from here to here, 5/3. If I need to do that. But first I need to solve for W, so I need to set that fraction equal to two similar ratios. Alright, so I'm going to do my 3/5. 3/5 equal my short guy variable with the W in it to W plus 0.8. And then my big guy variable, the same leg, or a similar counterpart. It's going to be 3W plus 2. And now I'm going to do some cross multiplication of these binomials, and it's going to give me, I'll shift to blue here. Alright, so 3 times, that's a pen, it's a pencil, so 3 times the quantity of 3W plus 2 is 9W plus 6, because 3 times 3 is 9W plus 3 times plus 2 is plus 6. And then I got 2 times 5 times 2W is 10W. And then 5 plus 5 times, is it plus? Yeah, everything's plus. Okay, 5 times 0.08 is, I think, 4. 5 times 0.08 is 4. Yep, is 4. I just was a decimal off in case you were wondering. 5 times 0.8 is 4, in case you were there. Okay, I'm going to solve for W, keeping my variables positive. So I'll subtract 9 from both sides. That's W. Then bring, subtract 4 from both sides. That's going to be 2. Alright, so W is going to be equal to 2 here. Alright, so what happened? There we go. Okay. So W equals 2. Alright, so what is the area? So in order to find the area, I need to plug in W to both of these things. So we'll do orange first. Let's find orange. I need to look at my screen here. Hold on. Alright, so orange is 2 times 2 is 4 plus 0.08. So 4 plus 0.08, not 0.8. 4 plus 0.8 equals 4.8. 4.8. 4.8. So, and then we're going to do 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So these are 8, and these are 8. Alright, so what is the big one? This is the green one. What is the area? Oh, by the way, these are inches. Oh, no variables here. These don't have variables. Don't have units. All right. So the green one. All right. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 10 is 20. 16 plus 20 is 36. 36 inches. Another way we could do it is 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8. Also, another way you could do it. Okay. And then the little one, 12. And then 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1.6. So 6 plus 6 plus 4.8 plus 4.8 is 21.6. 21.6. Okay, so that's the way I did that one. To show my math like I should, it's gonna be EM plus EF plus FG plus HG is 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8 inches. Yeah, equals 36. Alright, and then this one's gonna be JK plus KL plus LM plus MJ is gonna be 4.8 plus 6 plus 4.8 plus 6, which is, yeah, that's gonna be that. Alright, so now we're gonna do this one. We have there's a third triangle. PQ equals 6. This third triangle, this is 6. Alright, what is the length? Oh, sorry, rectangle. This is a rectangle. PQ equals 6. What is the length of SP? Well, they didn't tell us a critical part of information here. Well, we're gonna presume it has the same proportionality, right? So it's going to presume that it has the same proportionality of, I don't know, PQ is 6 of 3/5, I guess, right? So of 3/5, I don't know. PQ is 6 inches. Like the SP. Alright, so it's going to be... Wait a minute, what's going on here? I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, so we're still going to do our 3/5 here. Right, so if I'll go off of this one, right? This will be a medium one, and we'll actually do this, where this is actually a little different here. Okay, this is 6, and you actually can't use this 5/3 here, right? You're going off of a different ratio, right? So if we're going here, we're going to use we're saying we'll go we'll call this one triangle medium. Triangle medium. Okay, and we'll say triangle big, triangle medium equals, right? So triangle big is 8, and triangle medium, sorry, this should be green, I guess. Triangle big is 8. Triangle medium is 6. Right? What would be PQ we're trying to find SP. So SP's PS is X, and that's on the medium one. What is, and then this would be 10 here. This is 10-ish. So this is a new ratio. Right, so this is 8/6. Right, so this is, we're going to have to do some cross multiplication here. Right, and it's going to be 6 times 10 is 60 equals 8x, and then 60 divided by 8 equals 7.5. So this is going to be 7.5 inches. So x is 7.5 inches. So this is just, again, another ratio, 8/6 or 6/8, 6/8, right? I wanted to shrink it, so it would be 6/8, 6/8, which is 0.75, which is 3/4. 3/4. So if I wanted to go, this is a third or 3/4 of that, right? So if I'm going to go 3/4 of that, it's just 7.5. So 7.5 times 10 equals 7.5. So, yep. So the different way to show that, this is just a new proportion. Okay, so this is 7.5. So what's the perimeter? 7.5, and this is 6 inches. So it's going to be 12 plus 15. 12 plus 15 is 27 inches. 27